Once you have your initial domain set up, it's time to go ahead and log into your multi-site startup for the first time. So you do this just like you log in into a single site installation, but instead of logging into a single site, you'll be logged into the network admin. And of course, in order to get things up and running, I've set up a login for myself. Obviously, you'll have the ability to delete this at any point in time in the future when you feel like everything is set up properly. But once you log in, you'll see that you're logged into the main site. This is the main top level domain that we set up earlier. And you can see that once you have access to that, you can go ahead and see it in the list of sites. You can visit the dashboard or the page. In addition to accessing the top level site, you also have a couple of templates that are pre-installed to get you started. The first one is a simple template site based on the most basic of the Divi themes. And this is the one that I recommend that you start with when you want to build new templates from scratch. You can see here that the one called Template Consultant is a site that's actually based on that simple template. So the process to create this template was to clone the simple template and then load up the various layouts associated with this site. Once you have a template that's more full-featured like this, you can also clone these templates as well. The only site that you don't want to clone is your main top-level site, and there are some permissions that you can set up to make sure that you're always safe in that regard.